Hi, I'm Ed Davis, the president here at Ceilume, and I want to take just a minute to introduce you to our best-selling ceiling tile. It's simple, it's strong, it's stylish, it's Stratford. To start, yeah, these tiles are plastic, and that's a good thing. Stratford 2x2 and 2x4 ceiling panels are made from our Featherlight series 13 thousandths thick rigid vinyl, which makes them lighter, easier to clean, and more versatile than any ceiling tile you've ever seen or felt before. First, don't let their weight fool you. This thermoformed design, combined with the inherent strength of vinyl, makes these tiles rigid, durable, and incredibly easy to install and maintain. Class A fire rated, 100% recyclable, completely waterproof, Greenguard Gold Certified for indoor air quality, and made right here in the USA. No wonder these are the best-selling vinyl ceiling tiles in the business. Available in 15 designer colors and finishes, they're also pretty easy on the eyes. Installing couldn't be easier. Simply pop them into your standard 1-inch T-bar grid system. Most ceilings will have some less than full-size grid spaces. For those areas, simply cut your ceiling tiles to fit with scissors or snips. Stratford ceiling tiles also work well with recessed lighting. Just be sure to choose a fixture that mounts to your ceiling grid. If you have any questions or would like to see a free sample, please do not hesitate to give us a call. That's the first step towards your beautiful new Stratford ceiling. And remember, you belong under Ceilume.